In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Wipeout command in AutoCAD, a handy tool for creating clean, visually appealing drawings by hiding underlying sections without permanently removing them. To start, let's launch the Wipeout command. You can access this by typing Wipeout directly into the command line. If you're more of a visual person, no worries. You can also find this command nestled within the Annotate tab up on the ribbon. Once activated, the command will open up options for how you'd like to proceed with the Wipeout creation. Next, you'll need to decide on the method to create your Wipeout shape. You have a couple of choices here. The first option is to use a polyline. If you've already drawn a polyline that perfectly encapsulates the area you wish to hide, this is your easiest bet. Simply select the polyline option and then click on the polyline you want to use. It's a quick way to apply a wipeout with precision without having to redraw anything. Alternatively, if you want more control or if a polyline isn't available, you can opt to draw the shape directly by specifying points. This allows you to manually click through your main points, forming a polygon that acts as your wipeout area. It's an intuitive and flexible approach, especially when dealing with more abstract shapes. Now, once you've drawn your wipeout, you'll notice it immediately sits on top of everything in your drawing. This might obscure important elements unintentionally at first. But don't worry, you can easily manage this by adjusting the draw order. Simply click on your newly created wipeout, then right-click and navigate to the Draw Order option. From here, selecting Send to Back will move your wipeout below other key visual elements, allowing the important details to remain visible while still masking the desired background areas. Lastly, let's talk about the wipeout frame. By default, AutoCAD shows these frames, which can sometimes clutter up your workspace. To manage the frame's visibility, you have a couple of choices. You can toggle this off or on using the Wipeout Frame system variable. Just enter it in the command line and set it according to your preference. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the wipeout itself and choose Wipeout Frame. Deciding whether to display the frame can be particularly helpful for identifying and editing wipeout areas during the drafting process without interfering with the overall presentation of your drawing. And there you have it. With these tips, you can harness the power of wipeouts to maintain clarity and focus in your AutoCAD drawings, helping you create professional, organized, and aesthetically pleasing work without the mess. As you continue to practice, you'll find this tool becomes an integral part of your digital drafting toolkit. Happy designing!